Homemade Strawberry Devil's Food Cake Recipe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookeries channel. Today, we have a mouthwatering treat for you, a homemade strawberry devil's food cake. It's the perfect combination of rich chocolate and sweet strawberries that'll satisfy your cravings. So, let's get started. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 cups granulated sugar. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1 cup buttermilk. ½ cup vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 cup boiling water. 1½ cups fresh strawberries, diced. 1/4 cup powdered sugar for dusting. Step 1. Preparing the dry ingredients. First, let's combine our dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Step 2. Preparing the wet ingredients. Now, let's work on our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, crack 2 large eggs. Add in the buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Step 3. Combining wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and stir gently until just combined. Step 4. Adding boiling water. This next step might seem a little unconventional, but trust me, it makes the cake incredibly moist. Add 1 cup of boiling water to the batter. Gently stir it in. Step 5. Baking. Now, it's time to bake our cake. Pour the batter evenly into 2 greased and floured 9-inch round cake pans. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, let the cakes cool in the pans for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 6. Assembling the cake. While our cakes are cooling, let's make our strawberry filling. In a bowl, combine the diced fresh strawberries and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix well and let them sit for a few minutes to macerate. Step 7. Frosting and decorating. Now it's time to assemble our cake. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. Spread a generous amount of whipped cream or your favorite frosting on top. Add the macerated strawberry mixture. Place the second cake layer on top. Frost the top and sides of the cake. Step 8. Final touches. To finish, you can decorate with some sliced strawberries or a dusting of powdered sugar. And there you have it, our homemade strawberry devil's food cake is ready to enjoy. It's a delightful combination of rich chocolate cake and the freshness of strawberries. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our multi-recipe and cookeries channel for more delicious treats. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Good taste. Thank you.